you guys, so I'm in my bedroom and I can't wait to reveal how it all turned out. Really quickly before I show it to you, I wanted to announce my new exciting endeavor. I just started a podcast. I've been wanting to do this for so long. So go look me up on iTunes, search Wannabe Balanced or Crystal Escobar and you'll find me. You can get to know a little bit more about our family and our success story and a little bit behind the scenes of family life. My husband will be on some of the episodes, so go check it out. We have 5 episodes so far. Anyway, back to my bedroom tour. I got rid of a few pieces of furniture, which I love because I'm going for a more minimalistic decor, so less is more, right? I got rid of a bookshelf, I got rid of a little bench that was at the end of our bed. When we first moved into this house, I did lots of fun colors, which was great for a while, but I'm kind of moving away from all the colors and going more with the neutral tones. It's just fun to change things up every once in a while, don't you think? And one thing I'm really proud of is the fact that I put together this desk all by myself. Like, that's huge for me because I hate reading instructions and I usually have Sean do all that kind of stuff. So I was really proud of myself. It took me like 4 hours, but I did it. Oh, and I wanted to tell you about the most amazing bedding from Cariloha. It's my new favorite. I'm pretty much obsessed with how soft my bed is and my sheets. It's amazing, you guys. So Cariloha has the best sheets and bedspreads, super soft, made from bamboo. It's really cool. Also, I've linked everything to the description of this video, so if you're interested in any of the things that I purchased in this room, then I've provided the links below. And be sure to watch the rest of my playlist for more videos like this. Different rooms that I've redecorated and reorganized, and I plan to keep adding to it. I've got a lot more rooms that I'm working on, so lots more videos similar to this coming to this channel. So I would love it if you subscribe and follow me on Instagram because I post pictures daily on Instagram. So I'll see you guys on the next video. So here you go. Here's my master bedroom makeover reveal.